Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to swing trade with a small account. This is by far one of the most common questions I get asked on this channel is, Carter, I have $100, Carter, I have $500, I have $1,000. How do I start? I have a small amount of money. How can I grow it? So we're going to be talking about pretty much the top 5 tips and tricks that I would recommend doing before you guys start and before you guys fund your account. I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Carter and I've been a full-time swing trader for about 6 years, and I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about how I find stock, how I find opportunity, my strategy, my mindset with swing trading. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. You guys will have access to a group chat, quizzes, lectures, all that good stuff. I'll put it down below, and we're doing the Black Friday sale, so check it out. But guys, let's dive into this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. So like I said, this is probably the most common question I get asked on this channel is, Carter, I have $100, I have $200, I have $300. How can I grow this with swing trading? So starting off with step number 1, the first thing that I would recommend doing, even before you guys fund your account, is actually sign up with a broker that offers paper trading. I wouldn't recommend funding your account for like a year or more. I would recommend developing a strategy and learning as much as you can. Now with paper trading, the great thing about it is you can practice without actually risking your hard-earned cash. Now paper trading, you use simulated money to develop a strategy, practice your entries, practice your exits, and overall just practice. With swing trading, you have to treat it like a job. And what I mean by that is, think of it like a doctor or an engineer. How long does it take a doctor to become a doctor or an engineer to become an engineer? It takes years of practice, hard work. And this is why like 90% of swing traders fail, is because they don't treat it like a job. They treat it like an easy way to get rich, when in reality it's very, very difficult and you got to practice. But I would recommend doing this for at least 6 months to a year, and honestly if not longer, so you guys can practice and learn as much as you can. All right, moving on to step number 2. The second thing I would recommend doing is smashing that like button. No, I'm kidding, but not really. Smash that like button. But moving on to the second thing, what I would recommend doing is set realistic expectations. Now, what I mean by this is after you guys paper trade, after you guys have that strategy, and whether you have $100 or $1,000, if you're expecting to make like $100 a day off like a $100 account, that you're gonna burn through this account. And the reason why I say that is because you're gonna just be trading everything you can to grow it. Your risk management is gonna be all over the place, and you're just overall gonna burn through your account. The best approach that I would recommend having is, if you're making $1 a day, you're doing everything right. You're profitable. And the only thing that's stopping you from making $10 or $100 a day is just one thing, and that's share size. And the great thing about swing trading is the profits you get today can be used as leverage tomorrow. It compounds very, very fast. And this is why you'll see random swing traders grow a $100 account all the way to like $1,000 or $2,000 account in like 2 or 3 weeks, just because they compound their account very, very fast, because the profits they make can be used as leverage and it just grows faster. But setting realistic expectations is honestly super important. It'll help your nerves, and it'll overall just help your emotions, because you'll just trade high quality plays rather than quantity. The third thing that I would recommend doing when it comes with swing trading is be a master with technical analysis. Technical analysis is looking at the charts and indicators to get a general idea of where the stock is going by looking at previous history. The reason why this is so important is because you can find stocks that are severely undervalued. You're going to be looking for stocks and opportunity on support lines, on moving average lines, and overall, if you're a master of technical analysis, you'll be able to look at a stock and within a couple of minutes get a general idea of your entries, your exits, and your stop loss, and obviously your profit and all that stuff. So technical analysis is super, super important for all types of traders, whether you're a day trader or swing trader, or even some long-term investors love to look at technical analysis because the trend is your friend, and make sure you guys remember that. The fourth tip and trick that I would recommend doing is choose quality rather than quantity. And honestly, I would rather see you guys trade once a month and just be 100% spot on with that trade than trade twice a week or every single day you're trying to swing trade a stock. You have to understand that with swing trading, especially growing a small account, you only have $100 or $200 to grow it. How do you expect to grow it if you're trading everything? And what I mean by this is you have to trade quality plays. You have to find those stocks that are on heavy support, stocks that are offering a great risk and reward ratio. All that stuff is super, super important. So remember to choose quality rather than quantity. And this brings me to my fifth and final point that I want to cover is learn. And what I mean by this is never stop learning. With the stock market, it constantly changes, and so does your strategy and mindset with swing trading. And you have to constantly evolve, constantly learn. Do you think a doctor learns just one thing and then they're a great doctor for the rest of their lives? No, they constantly learn. They constantly improve their strategy. They constantly improve everything they can to be the best doctor. And you have to have that same approach with trading in general. It's you learn something today, you got to constantly learn. And honestly, one thing that I always do is always review my trades. Even the losses I make, because no trader is 100%. But with that being said, you have to look at your losses as just mini lessons. How much did this lesson cost me? Maybe $50, maybe $1,000 or $2,000. Use your losses as lessons and always review your trades so you can be a better trader. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.